Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Zwift bike. First, you'll want to connect your smart trainer or smart bike to the Zwift application. Make sure your device is fully charged and has a strong internet connection. Don't forget to pair any additional sensors, like your heart rate monitor, for the most accurate data. Finally, calibrate your trainer to ensure precise power readings and a truly realistic riding experience. This initial setup is key to a great ride. Once you're set up, it's time to explore. Zwift offers over 100 routes across 11 unique virtual worlds, giving you endless options. You can dive into structured workouts crafted by professional coaches to boost your fitness. Or, if you prefer, join a group ride, race, or social event with thousands of other users worldwide. Don't forget to customize your avatar and unlock cool new in-game gear as you progress. There's so much to discover. To truly optimize your Zwift experience, take a moment to adjust your in-game settings for a personalized feel. The Zwift Companion app is incredibly useful, offering real-time control and interaction right from your phone. Keep an eye on your performance metrics, such as power output, cadence, and heart rate, to track your effort. And remember, staying hydrated and ensuring proper ventilation in your riding space are crucial for comfort and performance during your session. Enjoy the ride. Staying motivated on Zwift is easy when you track your progress. You can monitor your fitness gains and achievements over time, seeing how far you've come. Consider participating in one of the many training plans designed to help you reach specific cycling goals, whether it's improving your climbing or increasing your sprint power. Engaging with the global Zwift community offers great support and fun challenges. Set new personal records and celebrate every virtual accomplishment along the way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.